church compound was not sacred enough to save a prominent Linstead businessman.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A popular St. Catherine businessman who survived an attempt on his life in October of 2019 was shot dead on the grounds of the Emmanuel Apostolic Church on Slipe Road in Kingston on Sunday morning, the 16th of February. The deceased has been identified as 50-year-old Wayne Stanbury, who operated a cambio located on King Street in Linstead, St. Catherine. According to the Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit, about 8:25 a.m., Stanbury was exiting his 2020 Toyota Prado motor vehicle after parking at the back of the church when he was approached by a lone gunman who opened fire, hitting him several times in the upper section of his body. The police were summoned and the businessman was taken to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Unconfirmed reports are that the police recovered 18 spent casings from the scene of the shooting. Mr. Stanbury survived a gun attack on his life in October of last year, when gunmen shot up his vehicle in Linstead. Although the vehicle was peppered with bullets, he sustained only a minor gunshot wound to his hand during the shooting incident. As a consequence of that attack, Stanbury, who at the time was living in Linstead, reportedly relocated his home to Kingston. Meanwhile, the police say they are probing the latest attack, but are yet to identify a motive for the businessman's murder.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.